I repeat, to do the cross multiplication, we have to multiply the numerator of the first ratio to the denominator of the second ratio, then equate the result to the product of the denominator of the first ratio to the numerator of the second ratio. By cross multiplication, we have 3 times n is equal to 5 times 6, or 3n is equal to 30. I repeat, 3n is equal to 30. The next step is to divide both sides of the equation by 3. What is 3n divided by 3? 3n divided by 3 is equal to n. How about 30 divided by 3? You got it right. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Therefore, the missing number in the ratio 3/5 is equal to 6/n is 10. So, were you able to follow the step? Wow! That's great! Now, let's think about this. What if we rewrite the equivalent ratios using a colon? How can we find the missing number? Consider the next example. 4:7 is equal to 8:n. Again, 4:7 is equal to 8:n. What are the outside terms? Correct! 4 and n are the outside terms. How about the inside terms? Good job! 7 and 8 are the inside terms. We can multiply the outside terms and equate the result of the product of the inside terms. Hence, we have 4n is equal to 56. Then, just like what we did a while ago, we will divide both sides by 4 to get n is equal to 14. Were you able to follow the steps? Wow, that's great! Before we continue, let's wrap up first all the concept you've learned today. To find the missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios, multiply or divide both numerators and denominators by the same number. Cross multiplication is another way of finding the missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios. Now, let us consider this problem. If 12 oranges cost 60 pesos, how much is the cost of 15 oranges? Again, if 12 oranges cost 60 pesos, how much is the cost of 15 oranges? To solve this, we have 12:60 is equal to 15:n. Next, we multiply the outer terms and equate the results to the product of the inner terms. We have 12 times n is equal to 60 times 15, or 12n is equal to 900. To get n, we divide both sides by 12. Hence, n is equal to 900 divided by 12, or n is equal to 75. Therefore, the cost of 15 oranges is 75 pesos. How about this one? The ratio of the two numbers is 3:5. If the smaller number is 45, what is the larger number? I'll repeat. The ratio of the two numbers is 3:5. If the smaller number is 45, what is the larger number? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. If your answer is 75, then you got it right. For the next problem, if 12 pencils are bought for 60 pesos, how much will you pay for 25 pencils at the same rate? I'll repeat. If 12 pencils are bought for 60 pesos, how much will you pay for 25 pencils at the same rate? You have 10 seconds to answer the questions. If your answer is 125, then you got it right. I hope that you have learned a lot from our today's lesson. You can now answer the activities found in your self-learning modules on page 178. Do not forget to read the directions carefully and write your answers neatly. Once done, double-check if you answered all the questions and don't forget to write your name. Keep in mind everything that you learned today because all of this will be useful in our next lessons. Keep on practicing so you will be ready for more application of these lessons and you'll find that they are fun and easy. I am Teacher Hans, your teacher on air. I hope to be with you next week only here at 103.3 Radyo ng Komunidad tungo sa Kaunlaran. Have a wonderful day! Twing!